How to change web page text size on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change web page text size on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find web page view and scrolling. Click on it and then click web page text size, and if you want to change it, just here you can change it. You can make it large or small, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.